What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and this is the one I've been waiting for. So you may remember we done the Spigen Airskin Aramid case, and I absolutely loved that style case and how thin it was, what it was about. But the only problem for me was it didn't have MagSafe, and I know for some of you guys that wasn't the case. For me, being a prominent iPhone user and having MagSafe accessories everywhere, always prefer to have a MagSafe case. Now Thinborne have sent me their case out, and this is the one I've been waiting for. This is the exact case that I know is definitely for me, and I haven't watched any videos on it. I wanted to be fully surprised at what Thinborne done this year, and I reckon this is going to be my case going. Small aramid fibre carbon fibre skin over the box, Thinborne in gold etched into the middle. Then when you open it up, you with this piece in the middle. So identify the essential, Thinborne, eliminate the rest. Tells you a bit about the case. You get a 6-month manufacturer warranty for flaws. Register for warranty on the website. Trustworthy Texas brand. So there's that. Important. You can't, our case is compatible with wireless charging, however, standard chargers or built-in wireless chargers in your car may not be compatible due to case design. So there's that. There's also an attention piece right here. There's a small hole next to the camera flash cut out for the rear microphone. Not for serious drop protection, but great for daily protection. The screen protector is complimentary. Please install the case first and apply the screen protector afterwards. So the screen protector inside. Please make sure to use a Qi 2 compatible MagSafe charger, which is what the Nomad ones are. Do not attach the case directly to metal surfaces where you can with some of the cases out there. But there it is, there's the Thinborne case. Yeah, this is the one I've been waiting for. The thinness, the MagSafe, this little piece right here which is going to attach to the phone, and by the looks of it, no, there's the front piece right there. So there is your front piece. And there is the back piece, and you get extra little sticky tabs included. Screen protector accessories in there, and of course your screen protector. I don't tend to fit the them screen protectors that get sent out like this. I've not long fitted the Spigen one, so I'm going to stick with the Spigen one. We'll see how it fits with this case. So that's roughly about it for what's in the box. So if we bring in the scale it a good way and see what it comes in at. So both pieces together, put it on properly. It's 23 grams just on its own. It's pretty special, and because I reckon this is going to be my permanent case, there will be more case videos, but I reckon this is going to be the permanent one. I am going to remove the backing piece, so let's get it fitted. So there we go. Also fits with the Spigen lens protectors. So in case you were wondering, also fits with them. That is on. Thinborne logo on the bottom right there. And we are going to install this piece. Let's take all these off. Okay. Strip that middle piece. Take that piece. So there's them. Hopefully this will stop it from flinging off like some of the other cases we've just had recently. Let's get this fitted up. So there we go. It doesn't feel flimsy on the side neither. It doesn't feel flimsy on this piece. It's looking like it's a good win. Looking like it's a very good win. So the case is now installed onto the phone. We're looking at 251 grams. This is the one I've been waiting for. Spigen lens protectors on there, and the lip of the camera protector actually sits over the lens protectors, so you can go ahead and place it down like so and not have to worry. But obviously you got that bubble, and then of course you got that front lip running all the way around the screen. And I've got the Spigen screen protector, so you can go ahead and place it face down and again not have to worry. So as you can see, no flimsiness on the side, which is an instant win in my book. So let's see if we open up the phone. Yeah, doesn't fling off. So we've had a few where the front piece is flung off when you've tried to open the phone, but no issues there at all. So let's bring in let's bring in a MagSafe charger. Now we know what's going to happen with this. As soon as you put it on, unfortunately, I don't believe that's going to charge being where it is. It's not going to charge properly anyway, and obviously it hangs over the bottom. So unfortunately that is a no-go right there. And with what they said as well in that little leaflet, there's the cutout there for the mic just on the top. I don't know whether you can see that or not. There's a little hole just in the top of the case, just here by the camera bump for that microphone. But no issue there. But I've got this wallet here from Spigen. So this MagSafe wallet will fit absolutely perfectly. So there you go. So there's the Spigen wallet. As you can see, it sits around the camera housing. And if you give it a shake test, it ain't coming off. It ain't coming off at all. But that's like the MagSafe wallet. I'll be showing you that in a short coming up soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But fits great on the side. As you can see, it's open on this side right here. Cutout on the bottom for your charger, your speaker, your mics. Cutout on the top for your speaker and your mics at the top. No hinge protection on the side, but obviously when you fold it over, like so, you can't see the hinge anyway when it's folded out, but obviously when it's folded back in its normal position, the hinge is out and shows off that gorgeous blue colour, which is what we want. But then let's bring in the Nomad base stand. Now this is where a few have failed recently. So if we attach it to the charge, it just took it out of my hand like it was nothing. Let's see. Yeah, there's no issues there at all. So fits absolutely perfect and literally just picks up the base stand. So yeah, no issues there with MagSafe. So that's a win as well. So this is definitely going to be my new case going forward. I think it looks fantastic. That armoured fibre feels great. It's got a little bit of texture there for grip. All around the sides, the carries on the theme of the armoured fibre. Cutout for the mic, cutout for your flash, the big cutout for your camera bar, and it fits really well even with the lens protectors. Screen protector installed, fits great with screen protectors. And yeah, this is my new case going forward. This is the Thinborne armoured fibre case. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. I am going to leave a link down below to where you can pick this up for yourself. I think there will be a discount code as well, but just check down there. That'll tell you everything you need to know. I'll also leave it in the first pinned comment just for you guys. Huge thank you to Thinborne for sending this over for me to take a look at. You've just basically decided what my case is going to be now for how long I've got this Fold 7, which is going to be a few months. I think it's going to be a little while. I think till the S26 comes out, I'm probably going to have this phone. We'll be doing Pixel content, so stay tuned for that. But let me know what you think of the Thinborne case. Is it something you'd go for not having the hinge protection? For me, it's not a big deal. I don't mind the hinge being out as long as the rest of the phone is protected. I've had cases like this in the past and I didn't really mind that. And obviously you keep that nice thin form factor on the Fold 7, which is another instant win in my book. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. I'll see you in the next video. There is a Fold 7 playlist I've made. If you want to look at all the other videos, they're all right there for you guys to take a look at, and anything you want to see, let me know as well in them comments. But see you all soon. Take care, guys.